Okay, question number 2 is also from Charzad Morgan. She asked how to clean the oven. Now the oven is something you want to clean every 2 weeks as well. If not, it can just cake up and get out of control, and it takes a lot more time. To start, just open your oven, take all of the racks out, and we're going to clean the racks later. You will need apple cider vinegar, a razor blade, baking soda, sea salt, quad zero steel wool pad. I've also found drywall screen to be very helpful. You can use Castile soap with the drywall screen to clean the oven racks. First, what you'll do is you'll spray the entire oven with apple cider vinegar. What this will do will soften the dirt so that you can later scrub it. Then take the baking soda and sprinkle it in the entire oven. The baking soda is a natural abrasive. Leave that sitting there for about 10 minutes. So what you can do in the meantime is clean the oven rack. Clean the oven rack with the drywall screen and Castile soap. Flip the rack over and do it in 4 sections. So the top left corner, start with that, then flip it over, start with that top left corner, and then switch it around, do the other corner, and eventually you'll have all 8 sides done, and then you'll have to do rack number 2. So this is a lengthy process, but in the meantime, that solution that you did with the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda inside the stove will already be doing its work so that you can scrub less. Now what you do is take the salt. The coarser the better. It's going to be used as a natural abrasive. Use the drywall screen and the sea salt to scrub away the dirt. You can also spray more apple cider vinegar and the baking soda to soften the dirt. This is the hardest part of the job. It requires a lot of scrubbing, and you're in an awkward position to get to the back of the stove. As you can see, I already have a hole in my glove from scrubbing so much. Some people use really strong chemicals for this type of work. I don't recommend that because you're getting yourself inside that oven, so you're in there breathing that air. So just keep that in mind. If you have stubborn stains in your oven, you can use the razor blade. So you can just go ahead and scrub it. Just be mindful not to scrub to the side. Make sure that the razor blade is straight so that you can scrub it without scratching. This will also work on the glass. Once that's all done, you'll want to rinse. To rinse the entire oven, you can use the surgical rag, put it in underwater, make sure it's very damp, and start from the top, and then you can go to the back, and then go from right to left or left to right, and then the last part is the bottom part of the oven. Later, you can put the rack in and you're all done with cleaning the oven. And hey, your work might not be perfect, but it will look better. Thank you so much, Charzad Morgan, for your question, and we will move on to the next. Videos like this, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and you can also tap on the subscribe button to be notified of any other upcoming videos.